Good morning, everyone. Respected professors, teachers, and all you young enthusiasts and future leaders. I'm sorry I haven't been able to personally join and to meet you all. I love the energy that this place emits and miss being there today. It's been a long journey with Amity University, and I'm quite honored to be here speaking to all of you right now. The university and the alumni have been an important part of our success journey, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the teachers, Dr. Kathuria, Dr. Prajita, Professor Sudhir, and the management for having created an institute that has been contributing to the industry's growth with the help of students who take up key positions at various organizations today. They've been working shoulder to shoulder in taking up various challenges that emerge and continue to explore, evolve, and excel in their corporate journey too. Today, as some of you are ready to spread your wings, to take off on this new journey, while some of you may be starting off a new journey at Amity, don't ever let this journey of learning end. With the learn, unlearn, and relearn mantra, you will always be ready to take on new challenges, drive innovations, industry growth. I strongly believe that every individual comes with inherent strengths, and with collaborative efforts, we can go a long way towards building a better planet. Compete with yourself, strive for higher, and remember, you have never done enough. Keep going. Always remain a seeker of knowledge. Don't be afraid to say, I don't know. It's okay not to know. The love to rise above colleagues should be removed. So put your pride aside and be prepared to work collaboratively. Not even waste is waste. The only thing that ever gets wasted is time. Life is equal to time, so make the most of it. Technology can be a boon, but overuse or misuse can result in irrecoverable disasters. One thing you may not want to ever let go of is your values. Great businesses are built not just with efforts and hard work, but great relationships too. Value every relationship you have and the ones you are about to build. And believe me, inshallah, God willing, sky will be the limit. All the best to all of you. Thank you and Jai Hind.